everybody, it's Neil, and what I have here is a closet of clothes and stuff like that. But what I want to do is I want to be able to store some other valuables and things like that in there. So I got this. Let's check this out. I'll show you what it is here. So here we go. This is a biometric lock. So it's an intelligent lock, door lock. So it is black and stuff, so it kind of matches the rest of the house. And it'll connect up and go in there, and I should be able to replace my current lock with this one here and then do the fingerprint on it. So we're going to install this thing here in a second. So let's see what else we have in here. So far in the box we have the handles, we have the manual, and whatever this is in here. It's probably all the locking mechanisms. Oh, it even comes with a screwdriver. Here, I'll show you here in a sec. Let me get it all out if I can. Oh. So we have, comes with a little ruler, I guess if we needed to measure something. Comes with 4 AAA batteries. This is the locking mechanism here. Comes with a couple of keys. I guess these are the emergency keys if we don't get the other one. Comes with some screws, some screw ends. Comes with a little screwdriver, the little pad there, the little locking thing that goes inside of that. So you can get it in there. Some other screws and stuff, and let's just give this thing a try, and let's see if we can figure it out here. I'll try to let you guys watch as I do some of this stuff so we can. Okay, so let me show you guys what I had to do to get it on here. First I had to go and take this off, and then there was a little plate to screw through. So just so you know, you have to screw the little plate through, and then you can put everything back on again. I didn't really tighten it right yet because I'm going to be actually moving this one around. But you get the idea. So it is on there, and anybody inside is able to open it. You see the little button goes in there, and anybody on the outside cannot open it unless you have the secret fingerprint one. So I have set it up, and there it beeped, so it knows me, and then I can open it up and close it. I can't open it, but then if I push the button, I can open it. So how cool is that? So very cool setting, and I'll show you guys a little bit more of how this all works here in a second here in the book. Let me show you guys what I'm talking about here. So in here, it's got all the installation instructions and everything like that. And so basically it tells you how to put all the batteries in and plug it all in, and then you register your fingerprint. So once you want to do it, you can set it by pushing the button in the back. Okay, I'm going to show you how to correctly program a fingerprint in here. So like right now I have it set, so you see if I push, it's not going to work, it won't do anything. You have to have the right fingerprint. So in order to program a fingerprint, you push the little hole here where it says the fingerprint hole. I don't know if you guys can see this here. So you push that in, you get a beep, and then on the other side here, what you'll do is you'll push your finger on it. So there, it recognizes it again. There, and now it's programmed. So there you go, 3 times for program. So now it should be set to go. So, oh, see, and now it'll open. Okay, see, so there it's programmed. So now it won't work. Oh, there, and now it works. So pretty cool. And then the other thing I want to show you guys is if for some reason you've locked out somehow your key, to get to the key area, what you do is you can kind of pick off this front piece. Let me show you here if I can aim it up here a little bit. So this front comes off, and it rotates around, and you see there's a little key slot, so you can always put the key in and make the manual rotation.